Yo, what's up, bro?
बहुत ज्यादा ठंड हो रही है भाई।
भाई
यहाँ
ठीक।
तो बढ़िया गर्मी का माहौल है।
कहाँ बैठ रहा है यार?
ये हुई ना बात, बढ़िया गर्मी हो भाई। ये वार्म साउंड कौन से प्लगइन से आ रही है?
Bro, you're feeling the heat from these three amazing plugins that I'm going to show you today. First one is this plugin called Thermal by Output, which is basically a multi-band distortion plugin that allows us to add warmth, bit reduction, and many other effects to our sound. We can dial settings on the macro screen or go directly to the advanced section to dial any of the setting that we're looking for. Next plugin is a powerhouse, which is called Invigorate by Newfangled Audio, which allows me to compress, limit, as well as overdrive by moving this knob in any of this area. Not just that, we have gain compensation, clipping, as well as input and output EQ, which makes this plugin quite versatile.
ओ भाई क्या बात कर दी, मजा आ गया। और गर्मी हो सकती है थोड़ी।
Anyway, the last one, but not the least, is this plugin called MoTT by Slate Digital Audio. As the name suggests, this plugin definitely works like an OTT, which allows you to add a lot of character while designing many sounds. And the cool thing is that it offers many different advanced features to shape our sound, which a general OTT doesn't offer.